disclaimer about the cap. Actually, in my last video which I recorded, my family was like, you are looking jungly, and the baal was like itna baal, and obviously due to this lockdown I couldn't trim it because no barber or salons are open here in my area. So that's the reason I have worn cap, just to look decent, not to look cool. So let's start with the video. So hi guys, welcome to the channel, and आज ये वीडियो होगा एस्पायरिंग ब्लॉग राइटर्स के लिए बिकॉज दिस एज यू हैव रिटन इन द सीन इन द टाइटल अबाउट द प्लेगरिज्म. तो डेफिनेटली people who are writing into blogs and thing, they definitely know what is plagiarism. In simple terms, plagiarism is like the thing which मतलब अब जो आपने जो कंटेंट लिखा है वो यूनिक है या नहीं, लाइक कॉपीड है या फिर आपने जो लिखा है वो पहले यूज्ड हो चुका है कि नहीं, वो चेक करने के लिए वी यूज़ अ वेबसाइट plagiarism, like plagiarism checker, duplicate checker, small SEO tools. And with my 8-9 months of experience in the media agency, so I'll definitely found out 2 websites. There are many, but these 2 will definitely help you because I think they are more reliable than others, because definitely everybody are not showing like 100% perfect, I will say, but some out of it is perfect. Before getting into the laptop screen, I will tell you that why people should know about this. Like if you give someone, like आपने किसको blog लिखने दिया हो and you need to know कि वो उसने लिखा हुआ content unique है कि नहीं, तो you should have idea like how to check it's unique or not, because you can't be totally dependent on some person. Okay, he might be genuine, but still you need to check and you need to have idea. और इवन द एस्पायरिंग ब्लॉग राइटर्स जो अभी आए हैं, जो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ब्लॉग लिखना, तो जिनके पास टाइम होता है लाइक 8 to 10 days का टाइम, आराम से खुद के लिए एक ब्लॉग लिख सकते हैं, तो उनके लिए इतना टेंशन नहीं होता बिकॉज दे कैन पुट देयर टाइम एंड शेड्यूल, बट स्टिल दे नीड टू चेक इट इफ इट्स यूनिक और नॉट. बिकॉज अगर आपका कंटेंट यूनिक नहीं होगा तो गूगल ऑब्वियसली उस कंटेंट को पेज उसके उस ब्लॉग को आपके पेज को रैंक नहीं करेगा. एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर आपका पेज रैंक नहीं हो रहा है तो the client or your page, if it's not ranking on first page, तो definitely it's not good. तो उसको चेंज करने के लिए या फिर उसको थोड़ा ट्वीक करने के लिए ये प्लेगरिज्म चेकर यूज़ होता है, क्योंकि आपको आइडिया आ जाता है कि किसने पहले ये कंटेंट यूज़ किया है या कॉपीड है उसका. एज गूगल डेफिनेटली बैन्स द कॉपीड कंटेंट, सो आपको ये प्लेगराइज है या नहीं चेक करना होगा. सो दैट्स इट. Let's go to my welcome to the laptop screen. So let's dive into the direct video. So this is the website. It's a general website I took for weight loss. We just need to copy the content. Basically, if you are written and uploaded, you just need to copy the content. Remember that any website you visit for to checking plagiarism, it will only be available for 1000 words, not more than 1000 word you can check at the moment. So if your blog is more than 1000, you need to check it into half. So let's check the plagiarism crosswalks. Good. Again here we will also check. So you can see it's started. There are various you can depend, but these are the ones I prefer. One is duplicate checker and other is SEO tools. Both the links I'll be mentioning in the description below. You can check it and you can get to it. So once it's 100% plagiarized, see, so you will get the content which is copied, like 35% similarity on from this website, 25%, मतलब आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा कि कौन से वेबसाइट से कॉपी. अगर इस पर्सन ने ये कॉपी किया होगा तो ऑब्वियसली इन जगह से उसने कुछ कंटेंट उठाया होगा. आइदर इसने जो लिखा होगा ये कोई वेबसाइट ने कंटेंट कॉपी किया होगा. सो इट्स वाइस वर्सा. We can't directly blame because I don't know. And another hack I'll show is you should download this PDF report. So I have already done it. So there is an option to download a PDF report. I'll show you a hack in it. The only difference is if you download a duplicate checker report, you won't see the content which is copied, though it gives you the match source below like this, but you don't get a content which has been copied, so that you don't understand where which words or which sentence has been copied. But when you download a small SEO tool report, they definitely show you, highlight you the content which is copied or which content which is similar on the other website, so you can directly reframe those words in your edit window, which is you will be editing in whatever word or something else. And they also give you the website, so if you click here, you can directly visit those website if you want to check some words or different words. So that's it. Bye. That's it from this video. Or if you liked it, then definitely hit the like button. If you think if you can share with this someone, तो definitely उसके साथ ये video share कीजिए. And I'll see you in next video sometime soon. Bye.